takeout, what even is takeout? Why buy takeout when you can make your very own at home, more tasty and healthier? I'm Veggierose, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make 2 fried rice recipes that I could barely even contain myself from eating them while I was showing you guys how to make it in the video. So let's get veggie. Our first recipe is a veggie fried rice. To start off, we're going to chop up half of an onion. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil into our pan. The pan is on high heat and we're going to toss in our onion and also some carrots. The full recipe will be linked down below as usual for both of these recipes. Chop up some broccoli florets. Just chop them up nice and small. Add that into your pan. And also add in some frozen peas. I'm also adding in some chopped up cabbage. I'm using regular cabbage, but you could also use Napa cabbage. You can use either or. Stir this around. There's a lot of stirring going on for this recipe, and you'll notice in a bit. I'm cracking in some black ground pepper. Make a well in the center and add in some minced garlic, and we're going to allow this to cook for about a minute or so, or until it becomes nice and fragrant. That's when you know it's cooked. You don't want to overcook the garlic because garlic will get bitter and not so good when it's burned. Also add in 2 cups of brown rice, but you can also use quinoa, some cauliflower rice, or whatever grain you prefer. I'm adding in some low sodium soy sauce. You can add liquid aminos or tamari. Stir this up again. And drizzle in some sesame oil. You can completely skip out on this part if you don't want to add any extra oil. For our next recipe, we'll be making a spicy pineapple fried rice, which is so good and bursting with so many different bold flavors. I'm so excited to share that with you, so let's get into it. For our next recipe, we're chopping up some green bell pepper as well as some red bell pepper. We're just going to chop this up into small pieces and add in another tablespoon of vegetable oil, our chopped onion, and again, some carrot. Toss in your red bell pepper and green bell pepper into the pan along with the rest of the stuff and let this cook on high until the onions become nice and translucent. Sprinkle in some ground black pepper. Make a little well in the center once again and add in your minced garlic, or in my case, shredded garlic, because that's what I do, so I don't have to go through the process of mincing anything. Mix that up once it becomes nice and fragrant. Stir, stir, stir. And then I'm gonna add some chili garlic sauce for spice. You can also add sriracha sauce if you don't have any chili garlic sauce. Stir, stir, stir. And again, we're gonna add 2 cups of brown rice. We're once again adding in some low sodium soy sauce. Stir that up. And we're chopping in the star of this recipe, which is some pineapple. I have some pineapple chunks which are canned, but you can use the fresh stuff. Toss that into your pan. By this point, your kitchen should be smelling amazing. Once again, you're gonna drizzle in some sesame oil. You can opt out of this if you choose. Stir this up and squeeze in the juice of 1 lime wedge, just to give it an extra pop of flavor. You can garnish this with some extra lime wedges, just to make it look a little more pretty, a little fancy. And then you can sprinkle on some sesame seeds if you like. I'm using black sesame seeds, but you can use any sesame seeds of your choice. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed till the end, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because if you're here still, you probably liked it, right? Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you make this recipe or any other recipe on my channel, I would love to see it and love to hear what you think about it. So don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Veggie Fam, and I will actually share it on my stories because I love sharing what you guys make on my stories. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Did I say I love you? No, I didn't, but I do. I love you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.